Today is Monday and we're gonna go check on the progress. We have some lunch for the guys, for the workers down there. So we'll go see the progress and we'll see you guys there. So to meet some of the workers, this is Seprin.
Oh.
And this is Joey. And that's their leveling system.
Yeah. Last night.
And this is RR.
Yeah.
This is Arnie's brother. And it was his birthday the other day. So if you guys want to leave him a happy birthday message, it'd be cool. How old are you?
20.
20. He just turned 20 years old. So this is the front of the house. And this is where we're going to put the terrace. And I've been getting comments about why we don't put an upstairs in. Well, that will cost extra money. So we're trying to go with the budget that we have. But I talked to the builders, and what we're going to do is have the terrace here and have like an extra room up top. So we can have a whole extra room. So maybe that can be for me when I'm here. And we've been getting comments about maybe other people wanting to stay here. And I think that's a good idea. We might open like some sort of Airbnb where people can stay here. And then that'd be a good way for the family to make some extra income when I do eventually leave. We just came up with that idea pretty much today. So I don't know the exact details, but if you can use your imagination, the terrace will be down here. And then above that will be like the above extra room, maybe slash another terrace room or something. But today is Monday, and on Mondays and Fridays, Richie and I go into town to pick up more supplies. So we're gonna go there, and I'll try to come back tomorrow and do another update. So you guys take care, I'll see you tomorrow. So time for the update at Richie's house. Today is Tuesday evening around like 5:30. The workers are gone now. So before we used to be able to walk in right there, and now we can't do that anymore. So now you actually have to use the doors to get in. They got the bathroom wall finished and then the doorway there. So like I said yesterday, we're gonna have the 1, 2, 3 rooms, and then we talked to the builders. They're gonna try to add one more upstairs. So they're gonna have a terrace out there and then have the Sorry Sorry store. And then they're gonna make some kind of ladder or some way to get up to the second floor.
Where are you?
Hey!
Leave me alone.
Who's in there? Yeah.
Oh, I got out.
Ah.
Standing by the window.
What color do you think you picked for the inside?
I don't know yet. For outside might be pink and white.
Pink and white? All right. Why pink and white? Just because? All right, that'd look nice. Your favorite color is gray. Do you want to put gray anywhere? You don't have to paint it.
Gray.
Yeah, you don't need to paint it.
I like different.
Yeah. Would this be your first time like decorating? Maybe we can hang some like mirrors, some artwork, and some other things. Maybe some pictures, some family pictures.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Many ideas.
As it's building, we're coming up with many more ideas. And we're glad that we caught them about the upstairs. We tried to mention to the builders to do an upstairs here, but they're kind of too far along, and we just didn't really have the budget. But we decided to go out there and on the terrace and build one up there. So I think that'd be really cool.
That would be a makan.
A makan, yeah. We'll have like a different kind of wall
A
out there.
makan and wood.
Okay. It'd be nice because it'd be like a terrace room up there on like the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side would be like a room. So there'd end up being 4 rooms.
Yeah.
So your parents and your little brother, and then Raymond and Richie, and then myself when I want to visit. And maybe an Airbnb.
Yeah.
Well, because we're not sure if there's going to be a CR inside, and I'm not sure if anybody would want to stay like that. Like, I'm not sure if there's gonna be CR, and you might have to go through the house to use a CR here or one outside. We're still trying to plan that all out.
Yeah.
But you guys give us an idea. Would you guys stay in upstairs like that with maybe no CR? You'd have to come probably through the house or something like that. I'm not really sure what we're doing. Yeah, there might be an outside CR, but we're still trying to come up with everything. But I think it's a really good idea to have a second room up there.
So it's like like, you know, your pastime.
Yeah.
Second terrace is very nice.
Yeah.
You can see the view outside.
I think it'd be a perfect spot to like
Yeah.
play guitar.
Yeah.
You can
see
sing.
the-
You can have another like TV
Yeah.
up there maybe.
Because like mom has sari. Mom will have sari store, so maybe other people will, you know, sit to eat
Yeah.
or something.
Talking,
So,
and if you want to get away from everybody.
yeah, so you can just go to second terrace.
Yeah.
And lock the door, no one can get in.
Yeah. Almost every day it's like you come here and a little bit more is done and you can like start to picture it more. This is awesome.
But if Dustin is snoring in the second floor, I mean in the second terrace, I can just go at the back and stargaze.
Yeah. I don't know if I snore. I wake myself up sometimes. I'm like, oh, what was that?
It's nice also there at the back.
There's gonna be like a wraparound walkway. So in the back here, we're gonna have a place to walk around and stargaze if you want.
Sit and
Yeah.
just surfing the net.
Yeah. Read a book, look at the stars, listen to music
Yeah.
in the fresh air. Many, many different things you can do.
Pick your bogart.
Yeah. How did it feel seeing yourself on TV?
Weird.
Weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really weird. It's funny because she was trying to make me cry. The GMA people was like, try to make Dustin cry.
And I said, it's hard to make him cry. He always laughs.
Yeah, so she tried to make me cry. And then
And
she
then-
ended up crying.
Oh my god. And then here, like my room, and then table where I dance TikTok. I will
So-
design my room. Left side, there's the bed.
Okay.
And then near the window is a table and chair. You can
Nice.
drink coffee and, you know, edit your TikTok.
It's gonna be exciting to see her very first TikTok video in there. So Richie's thinking she might put the TV over here, then have some kind of like sofa or chairs over here.
The chair must be like this. And then like
Okay, like an L-shaped,
Oh.
and maybe like a coffee table or
Ah,
something,
table,
some kind of
yeah.
small table. Can you guys see that? We can see it.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. It's becoming a reality now.
Yeah.
We thought about this for so long, and then now it's like, wow, it's actually looking like a house now. What are you gonna do with your old house once you move in here?
Just leave like that.
Just leave it? Yeah. All right. And if you ever visit Lola,
Yeah.
you might just check on the house
Yeah,
just to
check-
see.
Yeah, just to see.
Because I almost guarantee that house is gonna fall down in the
Yeah.
next few months or a
Yeah.
year.
Be-
Because that
special-
wall is
yeah.
getting, every time it has like a little earthquake or a big storm, the wall, the separation, there's a big crack in the wall, it keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Especially if if no one is living there, it's the ants, many insects will.
Yeah. The longer you leave something vacant,
Yeah.
the more the animals and the insects will take over. So probably after a while, you don't even really want to go in there anymore. All right, hey guys, Rich and I are at the house. It's Wednesday. It was raining pretty much a big portion of the day today, so I don't know how much stuff they did get done today. So they're working up there today. They got that almost done, and then they also worked on the windows. So today's update is a little short because it was raining most of the day. And tomorrow we have a lot of errands to do, so I don't think I'll be able to come back tomorrow. So hopefully Friday I can do one last one before I upload it for Sunday's video. Hey, good morning guys. It's Friday morning. I didn't get to check on it yesterday, but here's my last update until I upload this, and then this will be Sunday's video. Hey, good morning. Hey. What's up, man?
Morning.
Hey, good morning. Hey, bro. It's a very hot morning today. So that was a quick Friday morning update. Fridays are kind of busy for us just because we can only go into certain stores on Fridays. So we're gonna run some errands, and I'm gonna try to edit this video real quick and then post this for Sunday. So you guys take care, and we'll just see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right, we're just leaving the house. It's getting a little dark, but what's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. All right, Aaron's gonna play us a song on his guitar.
Yeah. Eh, kanta nila.
Yes.
Kami kanta.
Sabi na lang naglalawag ng magdala at okay lang ako. Sabi ng iba kung talagang mahal mo siya, hayaan mo. Hayaan mo na mamaalam. Kaya humihiling ako kay Bathala na sana hindi na siya luluha pa, na sana hindi na siya mag-iisa, na sana lang ingatan mo siya. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, nawala na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kahit tagal ko ring binubuo, na kahit tagal ko ring hindi sinuko. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo.
All right, thanks guys. That was really good. All right, they're gonna give a couple shout outs.
Shout out sa Alibines nga among YouTube channel.
Shout out sa Kwan, sa Alibines day, diri sa Milagro.
Oh. Our
Let's
YouTube
go,
channel.
kanang support sa among page.
All right.
That's right.
Thank you.
This is their YouTube channel right here, guys. Hopefully you can see that. All right, see you guys later.
God bless.
God bless.
Sabi ng iba